Depositing a check through the PNC mobile app is a convenient way to add funds to your account without visiting a branch. This tutorial outlines the steps required to complete a mobile deposit successfully. Step 1. Endorse the check. Before opening the app, sign the back of your check using black or blue ink. Directly below your signature, write the phrase "for PNC Mobile Deposit Only" or "for Mobile Deposit Only at PNC." This step is required by the Federal Reserve for all mobile deposits and helps prevent fraud. Without this phrase, your deposit may be rejected. Step 2. Open the app and navigate to Deposits. Open the PNC mobile banking app and log in using your user ID and password. From your account dashboard or the More Tools section, tap the Deposit option. Then select the account where you want the funds deposited: checking, savings, or other eligible account. Step 3. Enter the check amount. Enter the exact dollar amount shown on the front of the check. Double-check this amount to ensure it matches the check. Step 4. Take photos of the check. Place the check on a dark, uncluttered surface so it stands out clearly. Using the app's camera feature, take a photo of the front of the check, then the back. Make sure the images are well lit, in focus, and show all four corners of the check. Step 5. Submit the deposit. Review the entered details and photos to confirm everything is correct. Tap Submit to send your deposit for processing. You may receive a confirmation message after submission. Keep the physical check until the funds appear in your account. Step 6. Funds availability. Deposits submitted before 10 p.m. ET on a business day are typically available the next business day at no charge. For faster access, PNC Express Funds is available for a fee, making the full amount available immediately.